In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a WordPress theme. Whether you're looking to make a few tweaks or overhaul the entire look of your site, WordPress makes it quite straightforward to customize your theme. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills you need to give your website the exact appearance you want. First, you'll need to navigate to WordPress.com. Once there, log into your account if you're not already. Being on the main dashboard is important because this is where all the magic begins. Once you're logged in and ready to go, look to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find the Appearance option. This section is your gateway to everything related to how your site looks, including themes, widgets, and menus. Click on Appearance, and it'll lead you to a page showcasing all the customization options available to you. Once in Appearance, click on the Themes option. Themes are essentially the template for your site's overall design and layout. You'll see the theme you currently have active prominently displayed. That's the one we'll be working on today. If you're considering changing themes altogether, this is the stage to make that decision. But for now, we'll stick with modifying the active theme. Now, find the Customize Site button and click on it. This will open the WordPress Customizer, a wonderful tool that gives you a live preview of how changes will look on your site before you save them. This feature is incredibly user-friendly because it allows you to see tweaks in real time, helping you to make decisions quickly and confidently. Within the Customizer, you'll notice various customization options on the left. Look for the Styles section and click into it. Styles give you control over colors, fonts, and even spacing across your site. This is where you can adjust your website's look to truly reflect your brand or personal style. Take some time to experiment. You'll find options to change everything from the header background to the text fonts and colors. As you make selections, the right side panel will dynamically update to show your changes, parameter by parameter, providing a real-time preview. As you explore these settings, keep an eye on how these changes might affect the readability and accessibility of your site. Small adjustments can make a big impact, so take advantage of the preview feature to tweak settings until they're just right. Lastly, don't forget to hit Publish to save and activate your changes once you're satisfied with the new look. That's it. With these steps, you're now equipped to edit and customize your WordPress theme with confidence. Happy